What's Inside family. I am Dan, and I am at one of my favorite places to go every single year, CES, or Consumer Electronics Show. And my goal while I'm here is to find the coolest tech or the weirdest tech every single year. Every year, one of my favorite booths is the LG booth, and I was lucky enough this year to partner with LG to get exclusive access to the booth before it's even open to the public. Today, I want to show you some of the actual amazing things that are in the future, maybe not even in the far distant future, that LG is doing with their ThinkYou technology. The ThinkYou technology is like an AI that knows your preferences and knows the things that you like. And their motto this year is anywhere is home. So whether you're at a restaurant, driving in a car, in your house, it can connect all of those places so you feel like you're at home wherever you might go. When we're talking about home, the first place that you want to think of is the front door. And this door is very, very safe and secure. It has some features that I've never seen in a front door before. This actually has face recognition and palm blood vein recognition inside of your hand so that it knows who you are and it lets you in the door. Let me show you how that works. Check this out. I take my hand and place it up there. It recognized it. I push the handle and it opens by itself. It's because it knows my face and it knows the veins in my hand. This is the future. When you look at it when it closes, it shows a lot of information. It's almost like having a giant tablet on your door. This thing is solid. It's metal, it's thick, it's secure. Oh, it says that food was delivered. What does that even mean? Well, it has a valet door for people like, say, Amazon deliveries or people that are gonna deliver food. They can put it inside of the little refrigerator and set the food in there via access through that door there and put the package inside of there. So when you get inside of your house, you open it up, get your packages out. It's not outside. You don't have to worry about Mark Rober and his thief stealing package thing. Not only does the smart door look just beautiful, but if somebody rings the doorbell, you can click on the intercom button and then take a look at them. Refrigerators. What's inside of your refrigerator? Well, you could get a chop saw like I have and cut your thing open, or you can knock on it twice and look inside of it. These are the LG InstaViews. Typically, there's something that you wouldn't think of having an AI inside of it, or the LG ThinkYou, but they're able to see the things that you're deficient on or the things that you've already eaten and are low on, and it will automatically order the things that you need. And then when it's delivered, it's automatically put inside of the door if you have the LG door also. Like, everything is connected. This car is incredibly futuristic, but the brains of it is the LG ThinkYou that connects everything within your life. So say this is a shared ride that you're going to be taking to the movies with your family. In the future, if you're riding in a car with other people, safety and security is an important thing. When it pulls up to you, obviously you have your phone on you, it knows that you're close by, but as a fun safety measure for everybody involved, why not have facial recognition? Complete, it knows who I am. By doing the facial recognition, it has the settings all set up in here. There's some really cool features that I would love to have. I mean, can you imagine going in an Uber or a Lyft? You step into the car and the LG ThinkYou knows what show you were watching and where you were at, and it starts playing it on the TV that is directly across from you. And there's your TV. I don't want to listen to Justin Timberlake. I don't know that I want to listen to that. Havana, Camila Cabello, I like that song. And change the music with a hand gesture. And that happens with cameras that are right up here. Obviously in the future, most cars will be autonomous. Hopefully they talk to each other. You don't need a steering wheel. You don't need to look out in front of you. These seats are turned 15 degrees. So instead of sitting awkwardly directly at somebody, you are turned this way. So this is kind of the area right in front of you that you want to be looking. There's actually a refrigerator inside of this. I like this. See, the tech at CES is crazy, right? Say you set a reservation at a restaurant and you're in this car and it's running late, there's a lot of traffic, it can automatically notify the restaurant that has ThinkYou built into it that you're going to be running late. The whole idea is that you're taking the home with you to the different places, whether it's in your car or at a restaurant. So this area is called Chloe's Table, and the idea is that it's a futuristic restaurant where you have robots that help you with a lot of different things.
This is your table. Please have a seat. I'll return to station to welcome new guests.
It'll know your preferences of the things you like to eat. You can come in here, it'll know your favorite meals, it'll be preparing it for you. You sit down, the wait time shouldn't be too long. Behind me, you're seeing these robots that are making pasta or making spaghetti and just kind of like straining it, mixing the stuff together. That's the idea behind Chloe's Table. ThinkYou technology integrated into restaurants, into cars, into everything. My wife is notorious for buying multiple items of clothing that maybe don't fit necessarily, and then she returns a bunch of them. Could AI somehow help you to make that process of shopping for clothes a little more effective so you have less things that you're gonna return? It's called ThinkYou Fit Collection. You stand on this platform, hold still, body measurement is complete. There you go. If you ever wanted to know Zach's measurements?
My favorite thing is that we can try on outfits.
Oh, wow! I feel like your shoulders and this chest area are a little bigger than the belly area, but
yeah, it's
close.
We're working on the camera technology.
All right, Zach, move for us. Oh, whoa,
This whole outfit changed.
Wow. I just changed the whole outfit by touching it. Oh, the sleeves are going up. What is this?
Roll them up.
Look at that. This is what Zach used to look like when he was 14 years old. Oh wait, maybe a little darker color.
Yeah, so not blonde, right? Yeah, definitely.
Okay, let's go to that one. Let's throw up the picture right here of Zach. Can we put the selfie in there of you?
Yep, it's on my Instagram.
You can go in and try on new clothes digitally. And then once you find an outfit that you really, really like for you or your kids, you can actually order it on the screen and it'll be delivered to you. This is the LG Twin Wash. I'm not good at doing laundry. I'm actually pretty lazy. I take my shirts and I throw them in here. The AI, the ThinkYou that's built into this is going to sense what type of fabric my clothes are, and it's going to decide what type of wash to put, but then also it's going to weigh it and decide what type of detergent and how much to put in there. So all I have to do is put it in there and walk away. Using data, using AI, using technology in the future to be able to help your life be a little easier so you can focus on the time spending it with your family versus going and shopping and doing all this stuff. I'm gonna buy you that exact sweater someday. Thanks again to LG Electronics for sponsoring this video and giving me access to all of this awesome tech. And let me know your thoughts. What did you guys think about all of the LG tech? I'm excited about where the future's going.
It's always good in style to wear a puffy marshmallow jacket with a sweater so I can see it before I believe it.
Yeah. And this is why Cambry dresses Zach. And there's your TV.